Me and Ching that 250s, 20, we just dropped them to the 50s, swinging back them blades, ching him. How many ops should have died? Ridiculous. But lately I ain't been fidgety, can't go flipping up, I'm billing. But lately I ain't been fidgety, can't go.
Yo guys, I'm so sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Can't stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid, freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see goals, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them balls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. More for drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. You know I love it when I'm next to you. Riding through the 772. The feelings that I got for you is true. So baby, let me cater to you. Anyway, man, you don't know. First in the face, I hear the voice, so you don't know, say a Cogency, put the Cogency Rocks channel. And today, we have 156 Workrate with Ridiculous up on Pressplay. Now, I don't have anything to say before this. I never saw a preview. I never heard anything. This is new to me, you understand? So, we have a little marathon going on today. I think I have like 6 videos to get through. So, let's jump into this shit, man. Click my links in the description. Gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into this shit, man.
Me and Ching that 250s, 20, we just dropped them to the 50s, swinging back them blades, ching him. How many ops should have died? Ridiculous. But lately I ain't been fidgety, can't go flipping up, I'm billing. But lately I ain't been fidgety, can't go.
Yo guys, I'm so sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I have too much energy. Let me drink some water and calm down. I analyze the song properly. I'm so sorry, guys. That vocal sample is just crazy, blood.
Sensei.
Red bandana, rise that flag up. Aye.
How many ops should have died? Ridiculous.
Oh.
Whoa, come to the lab, nothing but light, dark, mad. Papi Chulo, gon' whip that crack and the L that he took, no he made it back. Niggas know we got beef in abundance, but we chop block. Gonna speak on gang and the L that we took, no we made it back. Cause we sauce Rambos and we make it slap. If you knew all the guns I held a year for each bullet, still throw them bells. And step round there trying to put him on scales on a 1, 2, 3, they don't ever prevail. No, I lurk on the 7 and 3 as well, so I thank Allah, I ain't never been jailed. The Stones each bad, what a fairy tale.
Workrate never been Joe. The amount of thing where this man talk about in him song. Workrate never been jail. No, brother. Guys, I think we might can do the road thing then. No, I'm kidding. No, don't jump on the road, bro. You're not gonna be Workrate, bro. You're gonna ride out one time and get 21 years, bro. Don't do it, fam. You understand? But anyway, let's start this over, bro, because this nigga was spitting, fam.
Whoa, come to the lab, nothing but light, dark, mad. Papi Chulo, gon' whip that crack and the L that he took, no he made it back.
Oh, what? I'm sorry, dog. I'm too hype, man. Listen. Welcome to the lab. Welcome to the lab, nothing but light, dark, mad.
Papi Chulo,
Go whip that crack and the L that he took, no he made it back.
Niggas know we got beef in abundance, but we chop block. Gonna speak on gang and the L that we took, no we made it back. Cause we sauce Rambos and we make it slap. If you knew all the guns I held a year for each bullet, still throw them bells. And step round there trying to put him on scales on a 1, 2, 3, they don't ever prevail. No, I lurk on the 7 and 3 as well, so I thank Allah, I ain't never been jailed. The Stones each bad, what a fairy tale. Till we got round there and we raised some hell. If you mention the 6, no, I love my click. We're ripping them sticks, so we're hitting them cells. If I push this string, that's a minimum 6 big rams, no flicks for that pagan felt. Bro, clock that kid, bro, spun that whip. I let it rip, gunpowder smells. We go through shit, but we don't say this, just pray to Allah, all we need is help. Me and
Bro, I was listening to Workrate's Next up, and I was like, bro, I don't even know what I want to say that, but basically, bro, like every time him rap, him showing you that, yo, he's the flow guy now, yeah? Recognize me as the flow guy. You understand? Listen, just listen to this, bro. I don't even know how long him keep that flow for. Listen.
Down, we raise some hell if you make
No. I forgot about.
round there trying to put him on scales on a 1, 2, 3 that don't ever prevail. No, I lurk on the 7 and 3 as well. So I thank Allah, I ain't never been jailed. The Stone Jeep's bad, what a fairy tale till we got round down. We raise some hell if you mention the 6. No, I love my clip, we're ripping them sticks, so we're hitting them sounds. If I push this thing, that's a minimum 6 big rams, no flicks for that pagan felt. Bro, clock that kid, bro, spun that whip. I let it rip, I'm proud of smiles. We go through shit, but we don't say this. Just pray to Allah, all we need is help. Me and Ching got 250s twinning, we just clocked them, now the 50s.
Bro, and he was just about to go off again. I'm not even going to put back on the hat, bro. Fuck the hat, fam. I don't care, fam. Fuck the hat. Let's go, bro.
Clock that kid, bro, spun that whip. I let it rip, I'm proud of smiles. We go through shit, but we don't say this. Just pray to Allah, all we need is help. Me and Ching got 250s twinning, we just clocked them, now the 50s swinging. Back them blades, ching him. How many ops should have died? Ridiculous. But lately I ain't been fidgety, car got ripped in a I'm billing. But lately I ain't been fidgety, car got shook in a I'm billing. Me and Ching got 250s twinning, we just clocked them, now the 50s swinging. Back them blades, ching him. How many ops should have died? Ridiculous. But lately I ain't been fidgety, car got.
I realized I was watching Packetson video. I don't remember which one, but he was reacting to a Workrate song, and he was like, Workrate though actually stretch out him fingers like this. Him always do this. You know what I'm saying? Like show a 2 or a 3 or a 4 or a 5. Like the man always like just watch.
I'm billing, but lately I ain't been fidgety, car got shook in a I'm billing. Wanna know about G's, come and check my batch. I mash bare works to my team, then I jump on a beat and I speak bare facts. When I listen to the pagans raps, all I hear is exaggeration and cap. But we can never be like that, the pagans brass, they shot no waps. All of my broskies lean and slap, I done did that, but I'm known for my shank. Ask about SB, sauce on spill and their engines mad. All of them and them used to that, and I keep it real, I'm built like that. True same ain't man's in a pack, but I'll still ride out, bring the throw right back, but I'll still ride out, bring the throw right back. Draw the 5 out and the 6 gone crash, the 6 or MB, what's the difference? But we go through shit that nobody knows, so I guess I solve what them and them's tapped. If the drop gets dished, don't put on hold, watch the gang turn up, tryna score that goal. If the drop gets dished, don't put on hold, watch the gang turn up, tryna snatch your soul. Me and Ting got 250s twinning, we just.
No. I was about to like do a mad thing, dog, but like, nah, I can't, dog. I can't, bro. I'm in shock. The fuck is this? This is insane.
You say me man's in a pack, but I'll still ride out, bring the throw right back, but I'll still ride out, bring the throw right back. Draw the 5 out and the 6 gone crash, the 6 or MB, what's the difference? But we go through shit that nobody knows, so I guess I solve what them and them's tapped. If the drop gets dished, don't put on hold, watch the gang turn up, tryna score that goal. If the drop gets dished, don't put on hold, watch the gang turn up, tryna snatch your soul. Me and Ching got 250s twinning, we just clocked them, now the 50s swinging. Back them blades, ching him. How many ops should have died? Ridiculous. But lately I ain't been fidgety, car got ripped in a I'm billing. But lately I ain't been fidgety, car got shot in a back, I'm billing. Me and Ching got 250s twinning, we just clocked them, now the 50s swinging. Back them blades, ching him. How many ops should have died? Ridiculous. But lately I ain't been fidgety, car got ripped in a I'm billing. But lately I ain't been fidgety, car got shot in a I'm billing.
Where's my hat? Not the way around this, bro. I can't go for that shit. But yo, bro, dog, this was insane, bro. You already know I like that beat because you saw me doing the vocal sample. You see me? I just say you see me twice, 3 times. You see me? But anyway, but you don't know. This is sick, dog. The beat sick, work with the flows and bars, dog. Like, and then him say he's never been jail. I can't believe that, bro. I cannot believe that. Workrate, if you never been jail, that me need for father England, you need to show me how never go jail then. Cause that don't make no sense, brother. Brother, all the something them with the man talk about been there when this did this and this did that, and so the police just don't think he exists. Anyway, now listen, this was fucking sick. How much would I rate it? I would give this a 9 out of 10. Yeah, I would give this a 9 out of 10. 100%. Yeah, 9 out of 10. Workrate, ridiculous. Big up the 156 and the whole end gang. And Mad Max supposed to have found out with some too, so when that drop, you know me I react to that. You don't know. Cogency for the Cogency reacts channel that one. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Click my links in the description. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Cause when the girl them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me girl. Pon the phone just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me, yeah girl. Bring the bring pussy to me, yeah girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah, yeah.